Hello everyone. Let's make an ice cream with me today. It's very simple. I'm glad to have one more trick in my life to be able to share with you. What country are you watching the video from? Please leave me a comment. Let's take the ruler. It's about 6 cubic meters of gas. And take a marker pen. We cut the wood in place, just marked. When you have a cylinder like this, let's divide the bottom of the cylinder into 3 parts. Then use black tape. Fix each fork into the cylinder. Those forks have to be straight with the line that's marked. Next, we prepare a magnet and 2 wires. Let's wrap it in a magnet like in a video. Please follow each step. Take the glue gun and glue the short ends of the wires together. And in this long part, stay fixed. One little wire body, as in the video. You put a magnet between these 3 forks, so that these 3 forks can hold the magnet. Next, use a knife to cut a piece shell of this wire. Cutting the shell finished. Wrap the core of the wire in a fork. When you look here, if you don't understand, you can leave me a comment. You can cut the outer layer of the red wire, and take the copper core, wrap it up. Take the antenna core of the TV. Use black adhesive tape. Wrap it up. Take a piece of wood to fix the base of this antenna into that wood. If you find this video interesting and useful, please give me a like and a share so that people can know more.